In our last video, we looked at casting, how to convert from one data type to the other. Today, we are going to be talking about operators, Python operators. In this video, we'll focus on arithmetic operators. I'm going to create a new file and go like, let me say maths underscore operators. That's py. Okay, so in Python we can carry out mathematical operations and we have operators for that. So addition, a is equal to, let me just say a is equal to 4, b is equal to 10, answer should be equal to a plus b. If we print the answer, come here and run my code, Python maths operators, answer is 14. So mathematical operators like addition, we have, let me comment this out so it doesn't execute in the next code. We have subtraction, so a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 2. The answer would be equal to a minus b, and if we print, we'll have answer Python, the answer is 2. More so, we have comment this out, we have division. So division, so a is equal to, so say 10 and b is equal to 2. Answer would be equal to a divided by 2, and print out the answer. If I save and I run my script, it says 5.0. See, as it returns it as a float. Alright, comment this out, and then we have multiplication. A is equal to 10, b is equal to 7, and the answer a, oh sorry, over here I actually like put 2 instead of b, so even if we run it, the value of b is 2. So yeah, back to multiplication, a times b. If I print my answer, I come back here and Python maths 70, so 10 times 7 is 70. Okay, I'm going to comment this out. Then we have called modulus. A is equal to 10, b is equal to 2, answer is equal to a, and we use the percentage sign for modulus, 2 and then b. If we print the answer, you're gonna get 0. So what modulus does is, let me write it here, modulus presents or returns the remainder of a division. So modulus returns the remainder of a division that occurs. So we all know that 10 divided by 2 is 5. What is the remainder? It's actually nothing, 0. So modulus returns 0. That's why it's returning 0 here. So modulus returns the remainder of a division. We also have exponentiation. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 2. Answer would be a exponent b. I'm going to comment this one out here so it doesn't display in our console. So a exponent b, and that's like 2 raised to the power of 2. That is a raised to the power of 2. So if we print our answer, I'm going to come to the console, Python operators. So 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. If we actually increase this to 10 and we run our script, 2 raised to the power of 10 is this. So we use 2 asterisks instead of 1, because in multiplication we use 1, but when doing exponentiation we use 2 asterisks. I'm going to comment this out. Alright, so we have floor division. And what does floor division do? Floor division allows you to output the highest integer when a division is carried out. So for example, let's say a is equal to 8 and b is equal to, let's say, 4. Now my answer will be a divided by b, and if we print our answer, I'm doing the normal division right now. This is not floor division, normal division right now. If we print our answer, we're going to have 2.0. okay, now but if we want to get the highest integer from this decimal, all we have to do is add one more slash. So floor division operator, this is a floor division operator, double slash. So if I save this file, come here and I run it, we're going to get 2. Now let me make this a division again. If we are dividing 8 by 3, so variable a has the integer 8 and variable b has the integer 3. If we're dividing 8 by 3, we're going to have a remainder. So let me clear this, and then Python maths. Now you see our remainder is 0.666666665, right? But if we should use the floor division operator, which is like 2 slash, what will happen is, oh sorry, I didn't save the file, I've saved it now. Clear. What will happen is we get just 2. So the highest integer from this division is what the floor operator does, like output.